Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to the English Flow Podcast, the show where we turn your English mistakes into your superpowers. I'm Chris.
And I'm Jerry, your friendly English coach who still mispronounces Worcestershire sauce.
Today's topic is big. Why people laugh at your English and how we fix it today.
Don't worry, people laugh at my English too. Even my dog judged me once.
Let's be honest. When people laugh at your English, it's usually not because your English is bad. It's because, 1, your pronunciation made a word sound like something funny. 2, you used a phrase in a different context. 3, you translated directly from your language. 4, you're nervous, and nerves make everything sound funny.
Exactly. One time I tried to say I'm full, but I accidentally said I'm pregnant.
Bro, who laughed?
Everyone, even the waiter. He gave me a free dessert out of sympathy.
Direct translation creates chaos. Like someone wanted to say, I'm hungry, but they translated literally and said, I have hunger inside my soul.
Sounds like you need therapy, not lunch.
Exactly. So don't translate word by word. English has patterns, and when you break them, people laugh. Not to offend you, but because it's unexpected.
Let's try a challenge. I say a sentence in simple English. You imagine the meaning, not the translation.
Let's go.
I'm running late. Not running, not late, meaning I will arrive late.
Next one. It slipped my mind. Not your brain falling on the floor. It means I forgot.
See? English is dramatic. That's why people laugh. The phrases sound like cartoons.
People laugh at pronunciation because English has evil words like sheet, beach, focus.
If you're not careful, they turn into something your grandma cannot hear.
Try this. Long vowels are safe. Short vowels are danger.
Let's practice. Sheet of paper.
No beach without sun.
Focus on your goals.
If you say the short version, congratulations, now everyone is laughing.
To master pronunciation, exaggerate like a cartoon character.
Say it big, dramatic, ridiculous. You'll feel silly, but people will understand you perfectly.
Try 33,000 feathers.
You just trained TH, R, F, and S all at once. Advanced level unlocked.
Here's a secret. People who laugh are usually impressed because you're speaking a second language, which is something they can't do.
Exactly. When you speak English, you are doing something powerful. Mistakes mean you're learning. No mistakes, no learning.
So if someone laughs, smile. You're improving faster than them.
Let's show you how to turn an embarrassing English moment into a funny one.
Example, you say, I'm angry for you, instead of, I'm angry at you.
Everyone laughs. What do? Smile and say, oops, English is punching me today.
Boom! Confidence, no shame. You control the moment.
Most learners think people laugh at them, but often they're laughing with you.
Because the moment is funny, not because you are wrong as a person.
And the fastest way to stop the laughter?
Improve step by step. And we're doing that right now.
Repeat these after me. These will protect your confidence. I'm learning. Give me a second. I know it sounds funny, but I'm working on it. Thanks for your patience. I'll get it right next time.
Say them with attitude. Say them with style. English flow style.
Okay, here's your task for today. Pick one mistake people laugh at and practice the correct version 5 times.
Laugh with yourself. Don't run away from the mistake. Play with it. Control it.
And if your pronunciation confuses people,
Just exaggerate until you sound like a Disney character.
all right, let's continue. People don't laugh because your English is bad. They laugh because English is confusing on purpose.
Exactly. English is like a friend who says, I'm simple, but shows up with 20 meanings for one word.
Take the word left. It can mean 1, direction, 2, the opposite of right, 3, someone left the room, or 4, something remaining.
I once heard a guy say, I left my left shoe on the left side before I left. Bro sounded like he was glitching.
When you hear a confusing word, don't panic. Use the brain shortcut.
Ask yourself, what is the situation? English meaning changes with situations.
Example, you hear, he's running. Are you at a marathon? Then he is physically running. Are you in a company meeting? Then running means he is managing something.
Context is your English GPS. No context means you are lost in English jungle.
Let's be honest again. Sometimes people smile because your English is cute.
Like when you say, I'm very delicious, instead of, the food is very delicious.
You basically told the world that you taste good.
Some people like confidence, but not that much.
Before saying a sentence, quickly ask yourself, am I describing me or the situation?
Because sometimes you want to say, I'm hot, meaning the weather is hot,
But you're telling the world you feel sexy.
which maybe you do, I'm not judging.
But English listeners will laugh.
Most English mistakes don't hurt you. Your reaction does. If you panic, people pay attention. If you laugh, people relax.
The most confident English learners are not the best speakers. They're the best recoverers.
They mess up, smile, fix it, move on, like English ninjas.
If you make a mistake, follow this rule. 1. Smile. 2. Correct yourself. 3. Continue talking immediately.
No embarrassment, no long pause, no thinking about the mistake for 2 months.
Quick recovery equals confidence. Confidence equals people respect you.
Let's talk about pronunciation fear. Why does it feel scary? 1. You think people will laugh. 2. You don't want to sound wrong. 3. You're afraid of repeating mistakes. 4. You learned English in silence.
English is a speaking language. Learning it silently makes you shy.
It's like learning to swim by watching swimming videos.
Practice louder when you practice. Loud practice builds muscle memory.
Try, this sentence is my practice. Yes, shout it a little bit.
If your neighbors complain, tell them you're becoming bilingual.
Every English learner needs a laugh zone, a place where it's okay to sound weird.
For example, your bedroom, your bathroom, your kitchen, your shower, your dog's face, your cat who already hates everything.
Practice in your laugh zone and mistakes won't scare you anymore.
Next time someone laughs at your English, use this line.
Don't laugh at my English, laugh at my jokes.
Boom, you just stole control of the conversation.
If people laugh, keep talking because the more you talk,
The more fluent you get,
and the more fluent you get,
the fewer mistakes you make,
and the fewer mistakes you make,
the more people think you're a native speaker.
it's simple math.
Let's fix 3 real mistakes right now. Wrong, I have 25 years. Correct, I'm 25 years old.
Wrong, open the light. Correct, turn on the light.
Wrong, I'm agree. Correct, I agree.
See? Tiny changes make you sound powerful.
Today's mission, pick one pronunciation mistake and practice it loudly 10 times.
And record yourself, then listen. You'll hear improvement fast.
Okay, let's continue. Here are mistakes every learner makes but never admits out loud.
Mistake number 1. Saying, I'm boring, when you mean, I'm bored.
My friends, you just said you are a boring person. That's why they laugh.
Mistake number 2. Saying, I very like it, instead of, I like it very much.
But honestly, I still say I very like pizza because emotionally, I do.
Mistake number 3, saying, I didn't went, instead of, I didn't go.
The moment you say, I didn't went, English teachers can feel it in their soul.
When you panic, mistakes multiply. So here's a simple fix. 1. Breathe in slowly. 2. Breathe out slowly. 3. Talk with calm energy.
Calm speaking equals clear English.
Let's get real. Sometimes people laugh because your English is cute, unique, or unexpected.
And that's not bad at all. That means your voice has personality.
When you speak perfect English with 0 mistakes, you sound like Siri. Nobody wants to talk to a robot.
Your mistakes make you human. Your confidence makes you powerful.
Imagine someone laughs. You say,
I'm practicing. Thanks for the patience.
or,
English and I are fighting today. I will win.
or,
My accent is free. I'm not returning it.
the fastest way to improve, copy native speakers.
Not the accent, the rhythm.
English has a heartbeat. Ba-da, ba-da, ba-da.
Your language might be da-da, da-da-da-da-da.
So when you speak English, use the English's rhythm.
You don't need perfect grammar. You need these 3: confidence, clear pronunciation, and simple sentences.
Simple English greater than perfect grammar. Every single time.
Repeat after us. I speak English with confidence.
My mistakes help me grow.
People laugh because they're surprised, not because I'm wrong.
I learn a little more every day.
Say them again. Let them be your power. Your mission today? Choose one mistake you always make. Practice the correct version 10 times and use it in a real conversation.
When someone laughs, you laugh too. Control the moment. Own the mistake and improve anyway.
All right, family, that wraps up today's episode of the English Flow Podcast.
If you learned something, if you laughed, if English bullied you but you fought back,
Make sure you like this episode.
and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new lesson.
Share this with a friend who needs confidence in English.
And leave a comment telling us the funniest English mistake you ever made.
We read every comment. Seriously, we love them.
This is Chris and Jerry.
From English Flow Podcast, signing out. See you in the next episode.